Welcome back to Driveline. The storm of modern SUVs is here, but amidst the roar of overpowered machines, one name still echoes through the mountains, deserts, and forests: Jimny. The 2026 model isn't just a car. It's a rebellion on four wheels, built for those who crave freedom, not luxury, for those who'd rather chase the horizon than stay inside the lines. This is the 2026 Suzuki Jimny, reborn for the next era of adventure. A legend reinvented for the future. The Suzuki Jimny has always been a symbol of simplicity, strength, and spirit. For 2026, Suzuki didn't just polish the old formula, they reimagined it. The new Jimny keeps its boxy, rugged silhouette, but now wears sharper edges, sleeker LED lighting, and a more muscular stance that screams purpose. It's a modern throwback, a reminder that true off-roaders don't need to be huge to be mighty. The classic ladder frame chassis remains, ensuring unmatched rigidity and off-road endurance. But it's now paired with lighter, more advanced materials, improving handling and efficiency both on and off the road. Suzuki's engineers have managed to keep the Jimny's soul intact while evolving it for modern-day explorers. Performance with purpose. Under the hood, the 2026 Jimny offers a range of powertrains designed for both urban drivers and off-road purists. The standard 1.5-liter petrol engine returns, refined for smoother torque delivery and better fuel economy. But the real highlight is the new mild hybrid system, giving the Jimny extra low-end grunt and improved efficiency without sacrificing its raw mechanical charm. In select markets, Suzuki is even testing a turbocharged variant, offering just the right punch for highway cruising while maintaining its nimble off-road balance. Paired with a 4WD All-Grip Pro system, manual transfer case, and low-range gearbox, the Jimny 2026 can still claw through mud, climb steep rocks, and wade through rivers like it was born to. Interior, rugged meets refined. Step inside, and the new Jimny greets you with practicality fused with modern comfort. The dashboard layout remains simple and robust. Knobs, toggles, and durable plastics that are ready for dirt and adventure. But this time, Suzuki adds a touch of sophistication. A larger 9-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a digital instrument cluster bring the Jimny closer to modern expectations. Seats are improved for longer journeys, and optional two-tone upholstery gives the cabin a more premium flair without betraying its rugged identity. Suzuki has struck the perfect balance between off-road functionality and daily usability. Design: compact, bold, and timeless. The 2026 Jimny continues its boxy heritage, but now with more aerodynamic tweaks and refreshed details. The new grille, circular LED headlights, and chunky wheel arches are classic Jimny cues, but they're sharper and more confident. Optional dual-tone paint schemes, including bold new shades like jungle green, desert beige, and Arctic blue, make the new Jimny stand out whether you're deep in the wild or in the middle of the city. Despite its small footprint, every inch of the Jimny's design radiates toughness. It's a car that doesn't pretend to be luxurious. It's honest, raw, and ready. Safety and technology. Suzuki enhances the Jimny's appeal with upgraded safety systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, features that make it more livable for daily driving. Combined with a stronger chassis and improved crash protection, the 2026 Jimny manages to feel both adventurous and secure. Conclusion: a rebel that refuses to fade. The 2026 Suzuki Jimny isn't chasing trends. It's defining its own path. In a world obsessed with luxury and oversized SUVs, the Jimny reminds us what true driving spirit means. It's about simplicity, connection, and adventure. And Suzuki has managed to keep that magic alive while giving it a modern edge. This isn't just an SUV. It's a statement, a compact icon that dares to go where others won't. And in 2026, the legend continues, stronger, smarter, and more fearless than ever.